Today, I'm going to start my day off by putting on my makeup. First, I'll take a look in the mirror and see how I'm looking. Oh no! I cracked my mirror! I need some makeup and I need it fast. Okay, where should I begin? All right, let's take a look at my makeup bag here. All right, open that bag up. Perfect. Now, what should I do first? Well, brush my hair. What a fantastic idea. Oh yeah, let me get those, oh yeah, my bandana off. But I have a hair tie. I need to take my hair tie out first. Yeah, gotta pull it really hard. Oh no, that's a clip, okay. I forgot what I had in my hair today. You gotta pull it. Oh, perfect. All right, now go ahead and give my hair a good brushing. Nice. How am I looking? Really good? Oh. It's still broken. We better keep going. Okay, all right. Thank you for, my hair looks fantastic. Okay, I think it's time for some makeup. All right. Cleaning my hair. Okay, let's start with my blush. I better take my glasses off to make sure that I don't get... I have to open my case the wrong way. No, don't break my makeup. No, keep working at it here. These cases are very tough to open. Right, no, at the top, no. Oh, no. Okay, we'll just forget about that. I don't need that. Oh, another hair clip. Well, that didn't do me no good. It's attacking me. Now this is pretty. You squirt a little bit of this on your hands and rub it in my hair. It makes it shiny. Yeah, that's good. That's all you need. Just a little bit goes a long way. Yeah. And it smells divine. Yes. Okay. What else is in here? My brush. I need to find my eyeshadow to go with that. Oh no, not another case I have to open. I'll turn it other side. Almost there. Oh, haha! Thank goodness. This will surely do the trick. I better take my glasses off first, though. Great. Okay. A little bit of eyeshadow right in the middle. A little down. Right there. Perfect. All right. You got a lot there. That'll be really good. All right. Close my eyes. A little higher. Oh, there you go. Right. That's fantastic. Now we're going to do the other eye. That's really good. I bet I'm looking really pretty. Okay, you think that's enough of that? Okay, what else is in my bag here? Okay, oh, no, another hair tie if you want to redo my hair. I think I am due for a new hairdo. I'll bet that looks... Yep, oh, that's good. Can I have some lipstick, please? That will make me just divine looking. I think that's probably enough. So tell me, what do you think? Am I a beauty star? That's everything I got. That's the best I can